Hello students, in today's lecture we will be continuing with function and we will be discussing about types of the function, composite function, inverse, even odd, and at last about the periodic function. So let's list down the points we are going to cover in today's lecture under the head functions. So we will be talking about first types, that is one one, many one, onto and into. Then we will be discussing about composite function. After that we will take inverse, then even odd function, at last about periodic function. So these are the points we are going to take in today's lecture. So let's start with the first one, that is types. Types of the function. So first we will be talking about one one, also called injective function. One one function, how we describe it? As in case of function, we define that every element of set A should have single image in set B. Right? So we have given the condition on set A. Now let's talk about the set B. If I say that every element of set A has one pre-image, whichever is related. I repeat, suppose there are 10 elements in set B and only 8 are related to some elements of set A. Then these 8 elements should have one pre-image in set A. Right? So let's list it down. Through Venn diagram we can say this is called one one function. Every element of set A, whichever related, has just one pre-image in set A. Now there are 4 elements in set B, but only 3 has pre-images. But every element which has pre-image has just one pre-image. It is not 2 or more than 2. So again this will be one one function. So these are the two types we can describe for one one. But instead, if I describe it like this, A, B, C, D, E, M. This function is not one one because E has 2 pre-images. This function is termed as many one. Again this one will be termed as many one. So these are the two examples for one one. This is one one. This is one one. Right? This one third is many one. Similarly the fourth one is many one. Correct? Now let's put it in terms of equation. How we check it? Fx1 equals fx2 implies that x1 equals x2 only. Then f is called one one function. Otherwise it is called many one function. Right? So fx1 equals fx2. It implies that x1 equals x2 only. Then we say the function is 1, 1. Otherwise, we term it as many one. This is one method to define 1, 1 or many one. Let's take another way.